Leading with the biggest story, this are the breaking story. Samajwadi Party leader Umaid Pahalwan has been arrested as a part of the investigation into the fake hate video. In fact, a couple of days back, Republic had tracked Umaid Pahalwan, the Samajwadi Party leader, who was seen in the Facebook Live with the senior citizen who was assaulted in Ghaziabad. The video of which was circulated across social media. He has now been arrested, and Shivani is getting us more details as far as the investigation is concerned. Shivani, if you could tell our viewers, where was he arrested from and what are the details of the investigation so far?
We know that police was looking for Umaid Pahalwan, and the search operations had been intensified across Ghaziabad, and Umaid Pahalwan has been taken into custody by the Ghaziabad police from Ghaziabad only, and very soon the SSP of Ghaziabad will be giving more information on from where Umaid Pahalwan has been picked up from and where he was absconding, because we know that the police were intercepting his locations through surveillance, and they had also shown the called data records of Umaid Pahalwan, because the statements of Abdul Sanad, the elderly person who was allegedly seen in this video, he was changing statements. So a number of these sequences were joined by the police, and they were on a lookout for Umaid Pahalwan in Ghaziabad. Yesterday, we also saw how both the residences in Ghaziabad of Umaid Pahalwan had locks, and his SUVs were standing outside, and he was absconding, though he was also talking to media. And on Republic, he had admitted that very soon he would be surrendering. And yesterday at Loni border Thana, he was expected to surrender, but he did not come, and police had intensified its search in Ghaziabad. It was looking for all those people and all those places where he could have been hiding. But right now, few minutes back, what we are learning is that the Ghaziabad police has arrested him from Ghaziabad, and very soon the further investigations will be carried out, because we know that this was a very serious case. Various sections under which he was booked were instigating hatred and spreading rumor and trying to spread trying to disturb the religious harmony and the communal harmony of the state. So there are some very serious allegations against him, and he was booked on Wednesday. And since then, he was absconding. He was trying to hide at different places, and police had been searching him, and the multiple teams of police were also on a lookout for Umaid Pahalwan. And we also know that 4 more people were arrested before Umaid Pahalwan, who were also named in the FIR in this whole issue, in this whole episode. And how the video was made tailored, it was made viral. The way the Twitter has also been summoned by the Ghaziabad police, and the Twitter India MD Manish Maheshwari will have to come and give his statement at the Ghaziabad police station. So all these nuances we were also tracking, and this the latest update is that Umaid Pahalwan, who was absconding since last 3-4 days, has now been held by the Ghaziabad police.
Yes.
And soon the further legal action will be proceeded with.
And Shivani, in fact, those are the latest pictures of Umaid Pahalwan, the SP leader, who is now under the custody of Ghaziabad police. He's been arrested, and when the Ghaziabad SSP spoke to the media, he said that he was held from the LNJP hospital. And he has been booked for spreading misleading information, and now he's being brought back to Ghaziabad, where he will be interrogated along with 9 other people who've been arrested in this case so far. So Shivani, if you could tell us about the way forward in this investigation, as to is the Ghaziabad police now looking at the source of the fake news, how the fake news circulated, because we know Umaid Pahalwan is a Samajwadi Party leader who was seen with the old man who was assaulted by a gang. He was seen with him in the Facebook Live. But then there was a series of fake news videos, doctored videos that were circulated on social media. So now is the Ghaziabad police putting its firm focus on finding the source of the fake video?
Definitely, Sanika, as we were talking to the police officials since the whole matter came into limelight and how it was made viral, the police told us that the priority is to first First of all, arrest Umaid Pahalwan, but also at the same time they are looking for the mobile phone which was used to record the particular video. And is that mobile phone actually being used as an instrument or a toolkit for a hidden agenda to disturb the peace and harmony of...
गाजियाबाद पुलिस की टीम के द्वारा तो उमेद पहलवान नाम के शख्स की गिरफ्तारी दिल्ली में लोक नारायण जयप्रकाश हॉस्पिटल के पास से की गई है, जो अभी तक सूचना मिली है। और वहाँ गिरफ्तारी के बाद फिर गाजियाबाद लाया जाएगा और फिर उनसे आगे की पूछताछ।
SSP, that was a brief reaction that we were getting from the Ghaziabad SSP who had responded on how Umaid Pahalwan was arrested. And Shivani, we'll come back to you with more investigation details, but we would also like to play this short clip of from Thursday when in fact Republic TV confronted this SP leader Umaid Pahalwan. He was still on the run and he was still evading the law. In that clip, he said he would surrender, but it seems that he hasn't surrendered but has been arrested by the police right now. So we're just going to play that clip for our viewers.
एक मिनट निकाल के अगर आप ये बताने की कोशिश करें कि हुआ क्या था, ये आप बताएंगे क्या कि उस दिन हुआ क्या? क्योंकि कई अलग-अलग बहुत मतलब अलग-अलग चीजें निकल के आ रही हैं।
देखिए, अगर सांप्रदायिक बातें होती तो जिस दिन परवेज गुजर थाने में बैठा था 2 दिन, तो क्या किसी मुसलमान ने उसको जाकर गाली दी? क्या किसी ने चाटा मारा? क्या किसी ने थाने में पथराव किया? या किसी ने बदतमीजी की? जब वो कोर्ट गया तो कोर्ट में किसी ने बदतमीजी की? अगर वहाँ बदतमीजी होती, वो सांप्रदायिक चीजें मानी जा सकती हैं। हमने परवेज गुजर को जब पता चला कि पुलिस जेल भेज रही है, तो हमें अच्छा लगा कि पुलिस ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया। मगर परवेज गुजर का बनाया हुआ वीडियो, उसी के मोबाइल का बनाया हुआ वीडियो, वो उस दिन वायरल होता है जिस दिन परवेज गुजर जेल जाता है। वीडियो बनता है 5 तारीख को, वो न 6 को वायरल होता है, न 7 को होता है, न 8 को होता है, न 9 को होता है।
लेकिन यही बात आपके लिए भी कही जा रही है कि आप फरार हैं। आप इस समय रिपब्लिक मीडिया नेटवर्क से, रिपब्लिक भारत से बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन पहलवान जी ये कहा जा रहा है कि आप भी फरार हैं। क्या आप सरेंडर करेंगे?
अगर कप्तान साहब मुझे अभी बुलाए और मेरी बात सुने, मैं लोनी के किसी भी थाने के वाले को
आप कंडीशन रख रहे हैं पहलवान जी। देखिए, आप भारत के नागरिक हैं, भारत की पुलिस पे, यूपी के पुलिस पे आप कह रहे हैं आपकी बात सुने, ऐसा क्यों? आपको आना चाहिए अपने आप।
नहीं, एसएसपी साहब मेरी बात सुने, मैं सरेंडर करने को तैयार हूँ, वो बोले मैं आ जाने को तैयार हूँ। एसएसपी साहब को बताऊंगा लोनी की पुलिस ने मामला करता है, मैं लोनी की पुलिस को कोई बात नहीं बताऊंगा। मेरे पास कुछ सबूत है, मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ कप्तान साहब को दूंगा।
आपके पास सबूत है? कैसे सबूत है आपके पास?
नहीं, ये नहीं बताऊंगा, फिर फायदा क्या मेरा? मैं आपको बताऊंगा तो
नहीं, पर आप क्या वो सबूत आप कह रहे हैं, वो सबूत ऐसे सबूत हैं जो आपको निर्दोष साबित कर सकते हैं?
देखिए, निर्दोष तो बगैर सबूत देने के मैं भी हूँ, क्योंकि मैंने एक बुजुर्ग करी थी 72 साल के बुजुर्ग की मदद करने के लिए, गाड़ी काटने वाले के लिए मैं उनकी मदद के लिए उठा। हाँ, मेरे पास ऐसे सबूत है कि पुलिस वहीं के वहीं अपनी माफी मांगेगी और मुझे इस मुकदमे से बरी करेगी।
So Shivani, we heard the SP leader there when we spoke to him on Thursday. He said that he would surrender before the Ghaziabad police. Clearly that hasn't happened because what we heard from the SSP is that it was a joint operation where he was arrested. So if you could give more details about the operation that was carried out to search and arrest Umaid Pahalwan.
Sanika, this was a joint operation carried out by the SSP Ghaziabad, the Ghaziabad police and the crime branch. And what the initial info that we are getting is that Umaid Pahalwan has been arrested from the LNJP hospital in Delhi. And now he would be taken to Ghaziabad for further interrogation. We know that 9 people have already been arrested in this whole case. And on Wednesday, when the FIR was lodged, since then Umaid Pahalwan was absconding, though we had a word with him over a video WhatsApp call, and Umaid had claimed that he would be surrendering very soon, but yesterday he did not surrender, and the police had intensified its search, and multiple teams of Ghaziabad police were on a lookout for Umaid Pahalwan, because the UP government has taken this whole issue quite seriously, because the agenda behind it needs to be exposed. And this has happened, Sanika, remember, after the Twitter has lost its intermediary status. It is a publisher now. And that's why the Ghaziabad police also sent a legal notice to the MD of Twitter India, and he has to be present in the Ghaziabad police station to give his statement and tell all the user IDs and all the IP addresses of those people who have been involved in making this video viral, because this is a sensitive video and it seems that it was being made viral in order to disturb the peace and harmony of the state, and that cannot be compromised. The government of India has made it very clear that Twitter has to comply with the new IT rules, and Twitter is the only social media platform which has not yet complied with the rules. And yesterday the representatives of Twitter were present before the Parliamentary Standing Committee for IT, and they were questioned and grilled by the Parliamentary Committee because they have to comply with the rules. And this particular matter, it's quite serious, because how the video went viral from Twitter, what was the intention? Is this also another toolkit of people who want to spread hatred and fake news? So all these questions need to be answered, and that's why not only Umaid Pahalwan but Twitter and all the other people who have been involved, and the device that has been used to record this particular video, and why it was tailored, why the audio was muted, what was the intention, and for the pictures with Akhilesh Yadav, and how all these pictures and this video went viral. So all these investigations will be done further by the police. But the latest update here is that the crime branch and the Ghaziabad police have come in a combined operation, arrested Umaid Pahalwan. He has not surrendered what he was claiming, and he was saying that he would surrender, but he did not surrender. He has been arrested by the police, and he's being taken to Ghaziabad, and he will be further interrogated into the whole matter.
Yes. Thank you very much, Shivani, for joining us with the details. We will keep a close track of the developments, because we know that Umaid Pahalwan will be produced in court next to seek his remand, and we will keep a close watch on the developments that are taking place.